at one another now and remember this moment in time.
It's darling Cherry. I'm so glad that I met you. When I met you online 19 months ago, we up in my life. And when I met you in person just 6 weeks later, truly, you are so beautiful and you possess all the qualities I would have hoped to find in my last love. Needless to say, I would be so upset if I lost you. So I asked you to marry me, and happily you said yes. I thank God for you every day, and I thank you for trusting me enough to leave your family and friends and 100,000 miles from you.
My darling Francis, for the first time we meet online in February 2024, I knew there was something special between us. We connected so naturally, and our hearts understood each other even from far away.
Believe that great trust. I love you as who you are and not your thing. We still strong. We prove that love is more powerful than opinion. For the first time, we didn't expect it to be like a fairy tale, but it's truly great.
Cherry, I take you as you are,
Sure.
loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
Francis, I hope you as you are,
Loving who you are now
loving who you are now,
and who you are yet to become.
and who you are yet to become.
This ring symbolizes my love for you and the commitments we made today. And ring symbolizes
This ring symbolizes
my love for you
my love for you
and the commitments we made today.
and the commitment we made today.
Now we pronounce you for the very first time ever. Francis and Cherry, married, husband and wife. Kiss your bride.
Oh, I was too bad.